So Kaylee, what do you think of our media project?
Oh, hello there. Well, well, from what I watched, I thought that the opening sequence, so it seems like the opening sequence and the chase scene was like really good because it created like a feel of suspense. So it actually obeyed the conventions of like a thriller genre, right? I also liked the whole concept of the film, but like the only thing to improve is the fact that like the cuts in between scenes were kind of dodgy, and also like there's scenes where you guys are running away and there's more like shots of Dana than there is like of Mimi, so it's not obvious who the protagonist is. And also there's some problems with continuity in some scenes as well, because there are scenes wherein there's supposed to be Dana and Mimi in the same shot, however only Dana is in one of the shots with Mimi in the background, but then there's another scene with like Dana and then Mimi's not in the background, so like there's hardly any continuity in that as well. So yeah.
Thank you. Hi, what do you think we should improve about our media? Or what do you like about it?
Well, I think you should improve most of your media because some scenes didn't really make sense. When they're running down the stairs and it suddenly turns into another character and another person's holding the phone, it's all very confusing. What I did like about it was the beginning, which is all, the music was useful, well not useful, it goes hand in hand with the scene. There you go.
Thanks.
I really liked the opening scene, especially the running scene. I thought it was really effective. However, I do think that there should be some use of non-diegetic sound, like some music in the background or something like that, in order for it to build some suspense. But other than that, I really enjoyed it.
So do you think that we should have music going out throughout the whole scene so it can build up suspense?
Definitely, I think it will be much more effective.
Okay, thank you.